What is the function of the red blood cells? Red blood cells carry oxygen, and the oxygen-carrying protein is called the hemoglobin. When it is combined with oxygen, it is now called the oxyhemoglobin, which is colored bright red. The term deoxyhemoglobin is used when the hemoglobin releases oxygen and turns into darker reddish color. Another term called hypoxia is used when there is prolonged oxygen deficiency. The RBC's lifespan reaches 220 days, and when this RBC becomes old, it ruptures and as they pass through the spleen or liver and are destroyed by macrophages. And as RBC decompose, it is converted into iron and a greenish pigment called the biliverdin. The iron can be reused by the marrow, and some biliverdin converts into a greenish bilirubin and are both excreted as bile pigments. The most crucial system involved in dengue hemorrhagic fever is the immune system. The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs working together to defend the body against foreign invaders. The workhorse cells of the immune system are the white blood cells. What are the components of the immune system? They consist of both specific and non-specific defense cells that have the capability of recognizing self versus non-self cells and microbes. Monocytes, on the other hand, comprises 2 to 8% of the white blood cells, which originate in the bone marrow. Macrophages are the largest of the white blood cells, responsible for engulfing cell debris, waste, and harmful bacteria. It uses pseudopodia in attacking microbes and releases enzymes to kill them. Another one is the eosinophils or acidophils. Eosinophils defend the body against multicellular parasites and moderate allergic reactions. They combat foreign parasites and particles by releasing chemical mediators in a process called degranulation. The granules release harmful chemicals that are reactive proteins such as peroxides, nucleases, and lipases to destroy the foreign invader. Another one is the basophils, which comprises less than 1% of the white blood cells. However, these play an integral role in promoting blood flow and preventing coagulation. It releases 2 important chemicals which are called the heparin and the histamine. Heparin is an anticoagulant that prevents blood cells from clotting too quickly. And the histamine is a vasodilator commonly released during allergic reactions to increase blood flow. Another one is called the lymphocytes, which comprises 25 to 30% of the white blood cells. These refer to a group of cells consisting of B cells, the T cells, and the natural killer cells. The B cells and the T cells are the major components of the body's adaptive immunity, wherein the B cells are primarily responsible for producing antibodies against foreign particles. T cells serve many functions, but primarily they are involved in destroying cells identified by the antibodies. And natural killer cells are not as specific as T cells, but also function in destroying cells by releasing granules like eosinophils. Now let us go to the laboratory studies of patient JB. Here we have your analysis wherein generally the result here is normal. So the transparency is slightly hazy, color is raw, the reaction of pH 6.0, specific gravity of 1.010, negative of sugar and protein with the RBS of 0 to 2 and FAS of 2 to 4, and the Morphus urates few, squamous epithelial class few, that's class, and bacteria few. Next is the ProTime, wherein his result opted active partial thromboplastin time of 85 seconds, which is moderately prolonged, which is normal value is of 30 to 44 seconds. So let us define what is activated partial thromboplastin time. This is the period required for clot formation in recalcified blood plasma after contact activation and the addition of platelet substitutes used to address the intrinsic and common pathways of coagulation. So there is already what we call this, prolonged coagulation. Next is the cross-matching. He has been transfused by fresh frozen plasma, and all of them are compatible. What is plasma? Plasma, it is the complex liquid found in lymph and blood that contains water, electrolytes, antibodies, glucose, and many other biochemicals.